Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily start a sprint, or how you can create a sprint in JIra. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is, when you're going to click on JIra, choose a project. Then you need to go to project settings, and you're going to see features here. So you want to enable the sprints here and also enable backlog. These two things needs to be enabled to do the sprints. So again, you go to project settings, and then you go to features. When you got it, you're gonna be in backlog, but you're gonna see all your issues that you got here, right? So now what you want to do is simply click here on create a sprint. When you're gonna do it, what you want to do is you can create a issue right directly in your sprint, or just take it and paste it here. And now you can click start sprint. And then you get like duration, let's go 1 week. And start the sprint, right? And voila, when we've taken you to team sprint board, good luck team. And when I would click on backlog, I can see it here. It's a to do, right? And this is how you do it. And then you can like simply complete the sprint, edit the sprint, or delete the sprint. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.